Hello, my name is Paul Thompson. I've been BALPA's Dangerous Goods representative now for around 25 years. And I'd like to take a few moments just to explain why lithium batteries are featuring in BALPA's Most Wanted campaign. Now, you don't need me to explain to you some of the problems surrounding lithium batteries, but here are a couple of facts that you probably weren't aware of. Lithium batteries can burn at 1300 degrees Celsius. Now, this is the temperature at which aluminium itself can ignite and catch fire. There's also a lesser known phenomenon where if a lithium battery cell goes into thermal runaway, it can emit an explosive gas mixture. Now, if you were to take one cell from your average laptop battery, it can produce 3 litres of this explosive gas. And that amount of gas is enough to destroy an LD8 baggage container should it catch fire and explode. Now, I'm sure you're aware that shipments of lithium batteries are banned on passenger aircraft. But with each person on an aeroplane carrying at least 5 lithium-powered devices, more and more lithium batteries are ending up in the baggage hold these days. This is due to the fact that cabin baggage is being banned from the cabin, either through lack of space or with COVID-19 restrictions on some airlines. Now, the problem is that with all these lithium batteries in the hold, should there be a baggage fire, it may overwhelm the fire protection within the hold. Now, myself, my colleagues at BALPA, ICAO, IATA, National Civil Aviation Authorities and many more work hard to make sure that the dangerous goods regulations that come out are on time, relevant, and are actively enforced. Now, you can help by making sure that you're current in DG matters and report immediately any breaches or suspicions you may have to the appropriate people within your organization. If there's any more information that you require, you can get in touch with me through BALPA head office or through mostwanted@balpa.org. Thank you very much.